Hi students, welcome back to this video session. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are all fine. Yes. I am S. Naveen Kumar, Bharadasnar Metric Higher Secondary School from the Department of Computer Science and Computer Applications. Yes, today we are going to see the concept what? In 11th standard Computer Science and Applications in output devices and booting of computer. What is output device? In this, output device is mainly used for displaying some data. Yes, I think this is a monitor. Yes, this is a monitor which will display something. Yes, this is display or not? Display the content. What is present in that content? It display the contents of this PowerPoint. What are the contents available here? Output devices, monitor, plotter, printer, speaker and multimedia projector. These contents should be displayed with the help of monitor. This screen is an example of monitor. Are you clear, students? This screen is an example of monitor. Okay. In that screen is also act as a input devices. When the screen will be act as a input device? Very good. When you can touch, that time the screen will be act as a input devices, but now it will display something. So the screen is a what? Displaying device. So it is called as monitor is a displaying device. Are you clear, students? Display. We are giving some output. That means that display some output. Computer gives some output to the user with the help of monitor. That is called output device. Produce some result. Are you clear? Here monitor. In this monitor is a mainly common output device. Monitor is a common output device of the particular system, and that should be each and every character should be is in the form of pixel. What is pixel? Pixel means picture element. What is? Picture means picture element. Each and every dot should be present in that monitor screen. Every dot should be considered as a picture element. Let us consider even the single dot. Each dot treated as a what? Pixel. Each tiny dot treated as a pixel. These dots should be form an image or character. Continuously what happen? Continuously you put dot, what will be happen? We can frame a line. Are you clear? I put continuous dot here. Are you clear, student? I put continuous dot here. What will be happen? It will frame a line. So the continuous dot, it gives some image. Next, monitor may be either monochrome. What is the meaning of monochrome? That monochrome tube is mainly used for displaying a single color. That means or black or white. But in earlier days, the TV monitor, black and white TV in our home, in the earlier days, we used black and white TV displaying the data or information should be in the form of only black and white. But nowadays, we have lot of color images that should be in displayed, which displays the text or image. Here, this screen will display this is what? This is image. The screen will be displayed. This is image, and this is what? Type some content. That content should be what? This is a text. It has some different color. Background color is white, and the text color is what? Black, and some heading color is what? Red. We have displayed some content in different colors. Are you clear, students? This is the monitor, and next we are going to see the different types of monitors. Here CRT monitor, LCD monitor and LED monitor. CRT monitor, that CRT monitor, cathode ray tube. What is cathode ray tube? The CRT monitor is in the form of the oldest monitor. Yes, some computers are in CRT monitor. In oldest TV, now we are placing some TVs in a board that is called LCD and LED. Yes, we have very slight different. in LCD and LED. But in CRT monitor is in the form of look like the TV is in the form of this shape. This CRT, this is a cathode ray tube. Yes, this is the oldest version. Nowadays we are using LCD and LED. What is the difference of LCD and LED? LCD is a liquid crystal display. The very same, little bit difference. What is that little bit different? We are seeing that LCD monitor in some distance. But LED monitor, if you want to see nearby the TV, we can turn, the images will be cleared. But in LCD, we want to move just little bit distance and then we can turn, we can see something. Yes, otherwise it will not be clear in LCD. But in standing nearby the TV, we can see that content that will be clearly displayed, that is LED. Okay. Next, what is the usage of VGA card? That VGA card is very essential to display the content. What is VGA? Vector graphics array. Vector graphics array. This VGA card is essential to display the images very clearly. And every TV have a VGA card and every system have some VGA card because vector graphics array VGA card is essential for gaming purpose and some editing work, and cine industry we need some VGA card. Okay, VGA card is very essential to display the content in very clear manner. Are you clear, students? Next, this VGA help to communicate with the screen. What is the purpose of this VGA card? Which is used to communicate with the help of screen, and that VGA is act as a interface between the computer and display monitor. Here in this computer refers what? You are thinking computer refers to the monitor. That monitor is not a computer. Here this computer refers CPU. That is the processor. It's an interaction with the display monitor. And reason motherboards are incorporated, that means attached, automatically attached. We are inbuilt. Incorporate means inbuilt the VGA card. That VGA card is very essential for what purpose? Yes, very good. That's for displaying the images in very clear manner. And very in which industry it was used? Cine industries and editing work and then gaming. Yes, some games are adapted only your system have a VGA card, then only it will be installed. Otherwise it cannot be installed. Okay. The first monitor, that monitor is a Xerox Alto computer. It was released in which year? March 1st in 1973. 1st March of 1973. Are you clear? First monitor was released in which year, ma? Yes, very good. March 1st, 1973. Are you clear, students? Next, plotter. What is the usage of plotter? Very simple. You know the flux or you know the posters in the wall and flux we are printing. That situation in that printing flux, and then we can print a wall poster. In that situation we can use what? Plotter. Plotter is a graphical output on the paper. That paper is an example. This is an example diagram of plotter. In this image, we have a child and mother, and then these have some greenish image that specifies a smart, and then it will be printer. This plotter will be used in displaying the printing the flux. Are you clear, students? It's a multicolor content. Multicolor, yes, we have a lot of colors in this plotter images. Where it was used? Architectural and blueprint. Where is architectural blueprint? If we want to construct a new building, in that situation we need a blueprint where the kitchen was located and where it is a hall and where it is dining room and where it is a bedroom and where it is a puja room. These construction mapping should be generated with the help of plotter. And then why we can use plotter? Printer is enough, but you want to apply which color is adapted for that particular wall and inner something, each and everything should be clearly displayed with the help of plotter only. Are you clear, students? And some engineering designers, we want to design, yes, engineering designers only design the blueprint. Civil engineers are used to design the blueprint of some building. And CAD, computer aided designing, that can be implemented. We can draw that means for a car manufacturing, in car manufacturing company we can design a car. In that situation, that should be printed with the help of plotter. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next, printer. What is this printer? We want to print some content, either it may be an image or text, that's all. Text or image or any other shapes. That printer is mainly used to print the document. That can be used, we can put a Xerox. That Xerox, it can be in the form of paper. That paper contains some content and it can be divided into two types: impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer is the oldest thing, non-impact printer is newer thing. That means nowadays we can use non-impact printer. Impact printers cannot be used. In some situation, what? Impact printers are used. In, for example, sometimes we are billing. In that we can use what? Impact printer. Impact printer. Here this is an image of impact printer. This is an image of impact printer where we can see this image can be used in building section, but nowadays it cannot be used. Okay, we need to learn. Prints with striking of hammers. What is the meaning of striking of hammers? We can press the button, that hammer will be touched in a ribbon. That is, oldest typewriting machine and the typewriting machine we can press a button. For example, X, you can press the key X. That hammer will be long press and move and press into ribbon. And the ribbon press it will be displayed and it can be used to take a multi copies. How we can take a multi copies? That should be in the form of carbon sheet. We can place the carbon sheet, it will be get a multi copies of that content. Print a multi-part using carbon paper. Yes. Here the impact printer can be classified into two types. What are the two types? Dot matrix printer and line printer. This is an example of dot matrix printer. Yes, in this dot matrix printer, we can use in invoice preparation. Where it was used in invoice preparation? In banking sector and some industries and some educational institutions. That means on the varavu selavu kanakku paakrangalappa, in that situations la nama print edukradhukku use agudhu. But earlier days, but nowadays we can't use here. Ippala yaradhu use pandradilla dot matrix printer, line printer. In this dot matrix printer, fixed number of our pins or wire. That fixed number of pins and wires can be used to print the content. Each dot is produced by a tiny metal rod. Each and every character should be presented with the help of tiny metal rod. How it was printed? For example, I want to print a character A. How it was printed? Very simple. We can place the dot and print some character. Yes, and works by the power of electromagnet. With the help of that electromagnetic concept, the pins will be worked and then wire, that circuit flow will be worked and it prints one line of text at a time. In a ஒரே நேரத்துல ஒரு line, a single line of text should be print at a time. And then how many characters? Speed 32,550 characters per second. Even second 32,550 characters should be printed. At the time, how many line will be printed, students? Yeah, very good, very good. How many line? Single line will be printed. And per second, 32,550 characters will be printed. This is a dot matrix printer. Yes? Next, line matrix printer. It is little bit improvement of dot matrix printer. Why it was little bit improvement of dot matrix printer? This can be print page at a time, more than one page, and it can be printed line by line. Here it use fixed print head for printing. Print head, that means we have head. Head is an essential part in our body. In the same way, line matrix printer have print head. That print head is an essential part. How the print head is an essential part? Here in this is an example diagram of what? Line matrix printer. These papers are stored here. It can be taken and printed. With this is, this printer can print a line by line. Yes, and builds up a line of text by printing line of dots. That line can be printed with the help of line of dots and in capable of printing more than 1000 lines per minute. Even ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல 1000 lines என்ன பண்ணலாம், print பண்ண முடியும். But in per second, in dot matrix printer, we can print what? One line at a time. And how many characters per second? 32,550 characters per second. But in this line matrix printer, print 1000 line, that is more than 1000 line. ஆயிரத்துக்கும் மேல, more than 1000 lines can be print per minute and thousands of pages per hour. 1000 line ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல பண்ணுதுன்னா thousands of pages. Yes. Next, it uses mechanical pressure. We can pressure, the mechanical pressure will be implemented to print the content. Yes, and carbon papers are used. Why we can use the carbon paper? In carbon paper can be used in both. Where? In dot matrix printer as well as line matrix printer. The carbon papers are used for what? Take a multiple copies at a time. Where we can place the carbon paper? Here in the back side of, where? Back side of that particular page we can place the carbon paper. It will be displayed. Take a multiple copies. Next, non-impact printer. Nowadays we can use the non-impact printer. In this non-impact printer, use the laser beam, laser technology or electrostatic technology. What is electrostatic technology? Spraying the ionized ink. அப்படி இந்த இங்க தெளிக்கும். நம்ம பேப்பர்ல இங்க் அப்படியே என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ணும். நம்ம இப்படி எப்படி தெளிச்சுறோம் கையில, அந்த மாதிரி look like spraying the ionized ink. Okay, quality and speed is better than impact printer. Quality, that quality means not a printer quality, the printed content quality. Printed paper, how the images, how the text will be printed on a particular paper, that should be visible and very clear. So the quality is also high and speed is also high. We have two types of printer, laser printer and inkjet printer. Yes. Laser printer, that it works with the similar technology used by photocopy. Oh, photocopy, where we can use take a photocopy. Xerox, we are putting Xerox. நம்ம Xerox போறோம்னு சொல்றோம்லப்பா, அந்த இடத்துல என்ன செய்றோம், place a paper, the laser beam, and the light, green color light spray ஆகுது இல்லையா, that will scan the document and display the same way. Laser beam is used for scan. Are you clear? சொன்னலையா laser beam. Next, produce good quality of graphics image and its available resolution 1200 dots per inch. in per inch. In dot matrix printer, some dots in particular line, dots are used for type some content, but here 1200 dots per inch is used for what purpose? Displaying a content. 100 pages can be printed per minute. ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல 100 pages print எடுத்துடலாம். Okay, based upon our needs. Suppose it takes some long time. How? When we can take a printout as a color printout, in that situation it can take some color, some time. Okay. Next, inkjet printer. This inkjet printer is also similar to work, but it can be spraying the ionized ink on a paper. Why it was using ionized ink? That spraying of ionized ink, இரும்பு துகள் பதிக்கப்பட்ட அந்த இங்கை வந்து ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ணும், and then the heat will be generated on that displayed. ஹீட் என்ன பண்ணுது, அப்படியே அமுக்குது அந்த பேப்பர்ல, அப்படியே அமுக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகுது, that will be displayed. Color cartridges. What are the color cartridges? Very 3 color cartridges are used: magenta, yellow, cyan. These 3 color cartridges can be combined and form a different colors. We can take some printout. Yes, the speed is 1 to 20 pages per minute, the speed of the document. We can print 1 to 20 pages per minute. And tiny electric current, little bit of current only controlled by the electronic circuits are used for spreading ink. We want to spread some ink on that particular paper. That ink is the ionized ink. That ionized ink can be spread with the help of what purpose? With the help of electric current. And then millions of dots of ink spread at a paper every single second. Millions of dots are spraying. இப்போ நம்ம இப்படி தெளிக்கிறோம்ப்பா, எவ்வளோ போகுதுன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா? ஒரு லிக்விட் எடுத்து என்ன பண்ணுறோம், இப்படி தண்ணியை கையில் ஒரு கலர் பொருளை தொட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறோம், இப்படி தெளிக்கிறோம், எவ்வளோ போகுதுன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா? மில்லியன்ஸ் ஆஃப் டாட்ஸ். எஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட், ஸ்பீக்கர். வெரி சிம்பிள். What is the usage of speaker? It display something. No, we can produce, the speaker can produce audio as a output. நமக்கு ஆடியோவை அவுட்புட்டா தருது. சரிங்களா? அது கிளியர். ஹெட்ஃபோன் மாற்ற, அந்த இடத்துல அந்த இதில் மாற்ற, ஹெட்செட் மாற்றியா, இங்கே என்ன பண்ற, ஸ்பீக்கர் தானே கனெக்ட் பண்ற. எஸ், புரியுதா இல்லையா? ஸ்பீக்கர் எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது? வாய்ஸை அவங்க அவுட்புட்டா தருது. சரியா? எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க? ஸ்கூல்ஸ்ல prayer assembly, we can conduct assembly. In that situation speaker will be help. Okay, Tamithai Valta, national anthem, and some schools pledge. Okay, in banks and railway reservation counter, and as well as railway station, where it was used in railway counters. It instruct the train will be arriving time, and the train in the நேரத்துக்கு வரும் அப்படிங்கிற மெசேஜஸ் கொடுக்குது இல்லையா? That's help of speaker. And multimedia projector. What is the usage of multimedia projector? Which is used to project on the screen, very big screen that should be on a white wall. நம்ம செவுத்துல கூட ப்ரொஜெக்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணி பண்ணலாம், கண்டென்ட்டை டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணிக்கலாம். வேர் இட் வாஸ் யூஸ்டு? ஸ்கூல்ஸ், காலேஜஸ் அண்ட் சம் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ். when we can use in school, colleges and universities, we can project something. Suppose I want to present a paper in front of judges. In that situation I can use multimedia projector. And then we want to conduct some meeting in front of some peoples and higher authorities. That time we can use what? Multimedia projector. And booting of computer. What is the booting of computer? Very interesting topic in this. Booting of computer. When we can switch on the computer, all the peripheral devices are connected. Yes, connected. You know that should be visible to your eyes. That should be connected. But it adapted software will be installed properly. Each and every device should be installed correctly. That can be checked in booting time. That is loading time. நம்ம பாப்போம்ல, சிஸ்டம் லோட் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கு சார், ரொம்ப நேரமா சுத்திட்டு இருக்கு சார், பஃபர் ஆகுது சார் அப்படிங்கிற. why it was buffered? It can check all the devices, peripheral devices are connected or not, all the content should be connected or not. That can be done in where? booting of computer, and there is no information in RAM. When you can on the system, that time RAM is a what type of memory? Volatile or non-volatile? Very good, that is a volatile memory. That is அழியக்கூடிய volatile memory. When you can switch on the system, RAM is in empty. When the data will be stored? Post is a program. Power on self test. Power on self test means we can switch on the computer will test automatically the devices. So post program, check all the devices are connected, and then the OS, operating system. What is the usage of operating system? Very essential to work on that particular computer. That operating system can be loaded into RAM, and then all the devices are connected. Here the transfer from hard disk to main memory, that is loaded into RAM. Main memory is also same as RAM. Yes, similar to RAM. Next, two types of booting, cold booting and warm booting. The cold booting when will occur? Initial stage. You are properly shut down your system yesterday, but now you are turned on the system, that cold booting will occur. System starts in initial stage, cold booting will occur. The other name is hard booting. Why we call it as a cold booting? It check all the devices are connected properly in the initial step itself. Keyboard is connected or not, mouse is connected or not, hard disk is properly inserted or not, and CMOS battery is properly connected or not, inserted or not. It will be checked initially in that initial stage itself. So it is called as a cold booting. Cold booting is also called as a hard booting. Why it is called as hard booting? All the tasks can be repeatedly doing. Initially first learning marudi seyradanaala it is called hard booting. Press the power button, instructions are read from ROM. ROM means read only memory, and initiate the booting process. All you can press the power button, that is switch on the CPU. All the instructions can be read from ROM. Yes. Next one, warm booting. Warm booting means what? When you can restart the system, that is, suppose your system is in sleep mode or hypernet mode, in that situation your system can be in warm booting, that is soft booting. Why we can call it as a soft booting? No need to check the initial steps. We can check all the applications are connected or not, all the applications are properly worked or not. That is enough. So chance of data loss will be occur in where? Warm booting. It might not have been stored properly. Suppose if you are not saved the document properly, when the warm booting will occur, sometimes the data loss will be occur. Okay. Yes, today what are the concepts we have discussed? What are the output devices, and what is the usage of that output devices, and what is the booting, and what is the types of booting, warm booting and cold booting. Thank you students. The description, in the below description, attach the study materials and self-assessment question papers. We can use it. Thank you students.